watching another video. Today we're at the Cimarron River. We're going to be doing some camping, some tent camping for the next couple days. So, take you along. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Ready in the basket. First fish of the trip. See, buddy. It's pretty. Hold on. Oh, it already came off. There you go.
Do you have a can opener or no?
In my backpack I do.
like kings. Yeah, the steak's good. Which one you want?
It don't matter. Probably the one that's more cooked.
I think it'd probably be this one.
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Sure you don't want to play it?
Yeah, you're good.
Is it cooked?
So far, yeah. Tastes good.
Cool. Steak and green beans for dinner. Jeez. What's up, Issa? Say what's up, Issa? Just like that. Right in front of you. There, buddy. Gotcha, buddy. Hold on, hold on. There you go.
Come here, little buddy. Oh, cool, hook already came out. See you later, bud. Little brownie. Already came out. Cool. Nice little fish. Got you, buddy. Oh, already came out. Cool. Oh, there it goes. We got rained out of fishing, so this is what it comes to. Sitting in the tent the rest of the night, listening to the rain. See you guys in the morning. Alright, we're on to day 3. We'll probably fish a little bit for today and then take off back home. We met a young kid that we're gonna fish with, a little buddy. He's pretty cool, from Texas. Showing him the ropes last night on how to catch some trout down here. So let's see what happens. Let's go. So this is my buddy Jacob that we met last night.
What's up, guys?
We're over here camping near the Cimarron River, and he showed up. You're from Texas, you said? Yeah.
Dallas area.
Dallas area. Cool. You never caught some trout, huh?
No, just caught 3 this morning though.
Yeah, cool. He's gonna be my fishing buddy for a few hours until we bounce out of here today. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's go.
Is that where we want it?
Yeah, all in this area. There you go. You could feed it more line too and let it drift farther down if you want. Just don't get it stuck in the tree coming back. Oh, you missed it. Nice. help you out. Yep, go. Oh. Looked like it. Oh, go. Nice.
I can barely see that thing on the water.
That's a little rainbow.
Yeah.
Take the hook out of his face. I see, drop him.
You want me to drop him?
Yeah. There you go. You gonna keep him?
Too small.
Okay, come back.
A nice rainbow. Yeah, baby. I felt him biting it. Hook set him right where I wanted him.
Heck yeah, dude. See, sometimes the bobber.
Bobber's just not the way.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby.
Do you want to keep him or no? The hook already came out.
Let's do it. Let's
You
keep him. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll fly him right now.
Yeah, let's knock him out. Put him out of his misery.
Alrighty, so we start up.
Yep.
Hey, try to hold it.
There you go. Sometimes you can use a knife if you get your thumb. Watch, let me show you.
Yeah.
If you could get your thumb under that one.
Oh, and use the knife to pry that one open
Yeah,
too?
and then just hold them like
I
that.
bet.
Boom. There you go. So through there. Yep. Yep.
Boom.
Yep. Now up from his butt, up to his belly.
Alright. My bad.
You good?
Keep getting good. Hold on now.
Sometimes too, if you can't, there you go. Just watch yourself, don't stab yourself.
What's that?
It's just the air that's left in his air bladder.
This good?
Mm-hmm.
No, I gotta hold him like this now.
Here, watch. Forgot I had this here. This one's way sharper. Try that one.
Oh, heck yeah.
Just don't cut yourself. That one's sharp. A little
Pretty
more.
good?
A little more. There you go.
And then,
Now stick your thumb. Nope.
oh,
Through there. And then your other thumb through his gill, up through his mouth. Let me see.
right here?
Yep. And just rip out all guts. Cherry.
Just like that?
Just like that. And then you clean out that little black line.
What in the heck is this?
That's
Is
his
that a worm?
intestines.
Oh, I thought that was a worm. Alright, where's that knife? Is this good?
Yeah, just anything you think should be out of there, just get it out.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, bud.
Any work? Anything? Is this all good? You think?
That's good. Yeah, I'd just clean them out a little bit before you cook them. Let me see.
And you said once you cook them, you just flip that tail.
Yeah. So when you cook them,
You see
what I
both
do,
sides?
yeah. So you can season everything that you want to do with them. Pull this off too. So you can season the skin and everything too, and season the insides, season all of it. And then what we like to do is cut up lemons and put lemons in there.
Ooh.
Yeah, that makes it real
We're
good.
gonna have to go to that supermarket.
But then cut his head off and then just cook him like that without his head.
Gotcha.
And then cook
flip.
him on one side, flip him, cook him on the other side, and once he's done,
How do I know when he's done?
when they start falling apart, like the meat will turn real white and it'll
Oh,
look
yeah,
like
yeah.
cooked and stuff.
I
You
bet.
could tell. But then,
Give them that lemon and that butter.
oh yeah, we could give you some lemon and butter if
Sure.
you want. Yeah.
I bet. And that.
Hey, you're learning how to do it. Thank you guys.
Of course. No worries.
I'm like super excited, and obviously I can't.
No, it's cool. I like to do stuff like that.
Wait, hold on. Take a picture of that. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, bud.
Actually, we're gonna take that to the car, put that stuff in the cooler as well.
Are we good to leave this stuff here?
I think so. I mean,
I would put the rod away maybe,
Yeah.
and then maybe the stove, but
Behind the tents.
yeah.
That's where I put it last time.
Yeah, everything else should be fine. Okay, we're out of here too.
awesome. Okay, thank you guys.
Goodbye.
Good luck
Nice
to
meeting you
you.
guys too.
You left it.
You can have them, bud.
Thank you.
Yep. Is there any in there?
Nope.
Nope. Nope. Okay, guess not. Well, it's nice meeting you guys. Hope you guys have a good trip. Okay. See you later.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Look out for the video next Saturday. You'll be
got
in
you,
it.
man.
Cool. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. The camping trip's over. We're heading back to Albuquerque now. But we had some fun fishing the Cimarron River, camping a few nights. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. See you next time.